Which of the following is the air-to-air refueller aircraft of the Indian Air Force? C-17 Globemaster, Illusion 76, Illusion 78, C-130J Hercules. Explanation: the primary air-to-air refueller aircraft of the Indian Air Force, IAF, is the Illusion 78. The IAF operates the Illusion Il-78 MKI, a tanker variant of the Il-76 strategic airlifter. Air-to-air refueling significantly extends the range and endurance of combat aircraft, allowing them to stay airborne longer and travel further. The C-17 Globemaster III and C-130J Hercules are transport aircraft widely used by the IAF. The Illusion 76 is primarily a heavy transport aircraft, although its design is the basis for the Il-78 tanker.